Hello, my dear students. How are you? Fine? Okay, you must be waiting for my new video. So here I am with the lesson number 9, the zebra's pyjamas. Okay, so should we start with it? We'll be discussing full exercise with you in this video. First of all, you have to do MCQs. You have to take the correct option. That is the part A. First, Zebra's sister was called Dash. What was she called? Stallion, Palomino, or Mule? The answer is Palomino. Correct. Second, Mule was also known to be restless and playful, or lazy, or stubborn and hardworking. The correct answer is stubborn and hardworking. Number 3, the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide what? First, what to do with zebra. Second option, how the animal kingdom should be ruled. And number 3, who would become the next king? Yes, the answer is B part, how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Now, number 4. Little zebra did not go for the meeting because, yes, which is the correct reason? A, his alarm clock did not ring. B, no one tried to wake him. Number C, how he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. The correct answer is C part. He found it difficult to get up early in the morning. Yes, students, remember, he was very lazy. The little zebra was very lazy. So, he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. What about you? You get up early in the morning? Yes, you have to go to school. You have to get up early. Now, B part, answer the questions. First question, give a brief description of each member of horse family. Answer is, Stallion and Palomino were always on the move and restless. Mule was stubborn, while little zebra was very lazy. Second question, why did zebra's brothers and sister not say anything to him? How did this affect him? Answer is, zebra's brothers and sister did not say anything to him because he was the youngest of all. As a result, little zebra became lazier and lazier. Number 3. Why did the king get angry? What did he demand? The answer is, the king got angry because the little zebra was late for the meeting and he forgot to change his pajamas. He demanded that little zebra and his descendants will wear their pajamas forever. Number 4. What curse did the lion put on zebra? The lion cursed zebra and said that you will never be able to remove your pajamas and your descendants will wear their pajamas forever. Friends, you know what are their pajamas? The stripes on their legs, on their bodies, you know very well. Now glossary means you have to tell the meanings of these phrases. First, always on the move. The answer is always running around. Second, had a wild streak in him. It means did crazy things sometimes. Number 3, promptly means at once. Prodded means poked. And the last one is descendants means children, grandchildren of all those who come after. Now you have to frame the sentences with the meanings. Again, we are repeating the meanings and we'll be framing the sentences also. First, always on the move. Sentence, the herd of zebra is always on the move in jungle in search of food and water. Number 2, had a wild streak in him, means did crazy things sometimes. John is a silent boy, but while dancing at the party, we saw a wild streak in him. See the picture, you can enjoy. Number 3. Promptly means at once. Its sentence is, the accident victim was promptly attended by healthcare team. Number 4. Prodded means poked. While starting the experiment, he prodded John to gain attention. Number 5. Descendants, children, grandchildren, all those who come after. The sentence is, Prince Charles III and his children are descendants of Queen Elizabeth II. See here this is the picture of Prince Charles, and this is his mother, Queen Elizabeth II. Now you have to match the words with their opposites. These are the opposites. You have to match the words with the correct opposite of it. First is wild. So the opposite of it is tame, like wild animal or tame animal. Different. The opposite of different is similar. Active, lazy. Subject, ruler. Presence, absence. Clear? Now come to E part. Circle the words that mean the same as the words given in capitals. See, the words are given in capitals. In the first row, you have to tell which is the same meaning of this word. Like first is roam, play, sit, 3. Options are here. The third one is sleep. Play, sit, sleep. Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is play. Okay. Second is terrified. The options are old, wise, scared. The correct answer is scared. See the picture. Scared. The boy is scared. Third is nudge. Which is the correct answer? Poke, ask or command. The answer is poke. See here. The little boy is poking his friend. Number 4. Argument. The options are wish, quarrel, agreement. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is quarrel. Quarrel. See here. The children are quarreling with each other. I hope you do not quarrel with a friend, right? Number 5. Miserable. So options are poor, happy, unhappy. The correct answer is poor. See the poor man. Miserable condition. Okay, he is in miserable condition. He is a poor man. Now, grammar fun. Fill in the blanks. An octopus, here you have to fill has or have. Only 2 options are given to you. Has or have. An octopus has dash 8 legs. Charlie dash bought a new bicycle. I dash got 4 new pencils. Punita dash a kind heart. Shikha and Amin dash scored A+ in their science projects. This week we don't dash a sports period. We dash decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. So first, an octopus has. Singular. For one person, one animal, one thing, we use has. An octopus has 8 legs. Second, Charlie. Again, one person, Charlie, one boy. Charlie has bought a new bicycle. Third, I. With I, you, we use have. Okay. I have got 4 new pencils. Number 4, Punita has a kind heart. Number 5, Shikha and Amin have scored A+ in their science projects. 6. This week we don't have a sports period. It comes with we. Number 7, we dash decided means we have. You have to use have here. We, plural. We have decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Now H part, fill in the blanks with was, were or had. When I dash a baby, I had a pink coat. We dash a tough mime. Finding Mr. Lal's house. There dash 25 students in our class last year. Flowers dash blooming in this garden last spring. I dash a pet squirrel when I dash a child. Tim dash some milk and went to sleep. So what are the solutions? First, when I was a baby, was. We dash a tough time. We had a tough time. There dash 25 students. There were 25 students. Flowers dash blooming. Flowers were blooming. I dash a pet. I had a pet when I was a child. Tim dashed some milk. Tim had some milk. So students, here's the end of your chapter. I hope you liked it, you understood it very well. See you very soon in next video. Do write the comments. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.